Immutable collections cannot be modified after they have been created. Think of them like signed contracts where you know that the data will not be modified accidentally or by other threads. Once created, they stay exactly as they are, providing strong guarantees about data integrity. System.Collections.Immutable namespace provides types like immutable list, immutable dictionary, and immutable hash set. When you call methods like add, they don't change the original collection. Instead, they return a completely new collection with the added item while the original one stays untouched. You get predictable behavior since data cannot change unexpectedly during execution. Debugging becomes easier because you can trace exactly how collections evolved. Use immutable collections for configuration data, shared state between threads, or anytime you need strong guarantees that your data will not change. Safety and predictability come first.